I have this black diamond spot headlamp, and it's a really good headlamp. I like it a lot. But unfortunately, one of the pivot gear plastic piece kind of broke in half in the mid right there. What I'm gonna do is find a simple way, and simple and cheap way to fix it. I found some double-sided tape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna take some in there. Cut it this much. I'm gonna tape it right there. Okay. Okay, tape it. I'm gonna cut a small piece. I'm gonna tape it onto the larger piece on the bottom. So when you pivot, I have some angle pivot down. Okay. Tape it like this. Okay. Okay. I think I probably need to put some more. Put another piece on top of it too, so you pivot some more and have a more of an angle looking down. That's how I normally use it. Alright. Okay, so I have a 3 double-sided tape, kind of stack up. One is a larger on the bottom, the 2 is a smaller pieces on the top. So that will make it angle down some more. If you need a more angle down, you have to put more double-sided tape on the top. But I think 3 pieces is good for me, for what I use. Alright, let it tape really good.